So, last class we have started our discussion about Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Is it, children?
Yes, ma'am. And
Okay.
what the people in the Ganga Brahmaputra people do?
Basin. Okay. See, children, many tributaries, okay, that connect with the main river of Ganga and Brahmaputra, okay, and that drain a portion that forms the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin, okay, and it lies in the subtropical region, okay, that is 10° north to 30° north. Okay, 10° north to 30° north. It lies in the subtropical region. Okay, then the tributaries of Genka, okay, like Gagra, okay, the Sun, Chambal, Gantak, Kosi, and also the tributaries of Brahmaputra river, Manasi and Beki. Yes, okay, many tributaries are there. These all the tributaries of this river drain a portion, okay, drain an area that forms the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, and I have told you if we are locating the Amazon basin over here, that is in tropical region, tropical area, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, we could see that it lies in the subtropical region. Okay, then the main features. Okay, the main features of this basin includes the plain, the mountains, Sundarbans Delta, and the foothills of Himalayas. All these are the main features of this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, then in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, Oxbow Lakes. Okay, Oxbow Lakes. Can you see the picture over here, children? In the curved form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, curved form, curved shape. Okay, we could see the lakes that is known as Oxbow Lakes. Okay, that are commonly found due to the presence of many rivers. Okay, many tributaries are joined with this Ganga Brahmaputra river. So the presence of Oxbow Lakes, okay, can be seen over here. Then what is the climate? What is the climate?
The winters are cool and the summers are hot.
Yes. Okay, and monsoon type of climate. Okay, this basin experiences a monsoon type of climate that brings from mid-June to mid-September. That means from June to September, this basin, it is experiencing heavy rainfall. Okay, monsoon climate, and the winters are cool, okay, as usual, and the summers are hot. Okay, then the mountain area, and we have discussed about the topography. Okay, the physical feature. Okay, physical feature, that means the mountain areas with steep slope. Okay, so it is it has an inhospitable terrain. Okay, that is not affordable for the people to live. So only a few number, okay, a few people are living in the mountain areas because of the steep slopes.
Steep slope.
Okay, yes. Mountain areas, it is not suitable for human beings to live. Okay, but the plains, okay, but the plains area, okay, plain area, yes, many people living because, okay, you can see the picture, children. It is flat, means plain area, provide flat land that is suitable to live. Okay, yes, the plain area, it provide flat land. It is very easy, means it is suitable for the people to live in the plain areas. Okay, so the density of population, it is very high in plains.
Plain areas.
Okay, yeah, the density of population, the number of people living in the plain area, it is very high. Okay, then the soil. Okay, the soil in the plain is very fertile. So what is the main occupation of the people?
Agriculture.
Agriculture is the
Agriculture.
main
Okay, so the
occupation.
main occupation of the people, it is agriculture. Okay, and in the mountain areas, okay, that means even in the slope of the mountains and hilly areas where the slopes are not steep, the crops are grown on terraces. That is terrace farming. What do you mean by terrace farming, children?
The people.
Hmm? Terrace farming, have you heard about terrace farming?
Yes, ma'am.
What is terrace farming? See, children, the terraces, okay, are built in steep slopes to create a flat surface. Okay, see, you can see the picture over here. Can you see, children?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you, if you people
Yes, ma'am.
have by terrace farming. Okay, so in slope of the mountains and hill stations, okay, where the slopes are not steep, okay, where the slopes are not steep, the crops are grown on terraces. Okay, that means in the mountain areas, okay, mountain areas means to create flat surfaces in which crops are grown. Okay.
Ma'am.
So that the slope is removed, okay, so that the water does not wash off rapidly, okay, to avoid soil erosion. And the agriculture, it is the main occupation of the people living in this Amazon, Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So the main, okay, among the different agricultural crops grown in Ganga Brahmaputra basin, which one is the main crop produced by these people?
Rice.
Wheat.
Paddy. Okay,
Paddy.
paddy is the main crop. Okay, then paddy, it requires more water to grow. Okay, so paddy is being cultivated where plenty of rainfall or water is available. Okay, it needs sufficient water to grow. Paddy requires sufficient water to grow. Okay, so paddy is being cultivated in places where the amount of rainfall is high.
High.
Okay, that means there would be enough facilities for water. Okay, children. What is the main crop being cultivated over
Paddy.
here? Paddy. Okay,
Paddy.
since the cultivation of paddy, it requires more water. It is being cultivated in places where the amount of water it is very high.
High.
Okay, that means plenty of rainfall where it is available. There they are cultivating paddy. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
apart from this, okay, they also cultivating, okay, wheat, okay, crops like wheat, grams, maize and millets. Okay, apart from paddy, they are cultivating millets, grams, okay, maize and millets. Okay, then
Yeah.
the important cash crops, okay, that are grown at
Jute
this
and
basin are,
sugar cane.
yes, sugar cane and
and sugarcane.
jute. Okay, sugar cane and jute are also producing from these places. You know, children, what is the difference between crops, I mean, cash crops and crops? What do you mean by cash crops?
Ma'am, which cash crops get money.
Oh,
More-
yes, very
higher
good,
money than
Shane,
the
very good. See, children,
normal crops.
see, you can see over here, cash crops are the crops that are mainly grown to sell in the market for
Money.
money.
Higher money.
Oh, yes.
For money.
Okay, instead of being used by the farmers for themselves. Okay, the farmers, they are not using these things
Crops are used by
production
the
for
farmers.
themselves, but they are producing this to sell in
Cash
the
crops.
market for money. Okay, and we have seen many plantations, tea plantations, banana plantations, right? What do you mean by plantation?
One same type of
Ah,
plant.
yes, large farming areas where only one type of crop is grown. Okay, tea plantation, it grows tea. Okay, banana
Rubber
plantation,
plantation.
ah,
Only
bananas. Okay, only one type, large
Ma'am, like
farming areas
rubber plantation.
where only one type of crop is grown. Children, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
children, we have discussed about the important cash crops. Okay,
Ma'am,
cash.
Munnar.
Yes, tea plantations we can see, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Also. Okay, in hilly areas. So children, the important crops, paddy is being cultivated over here. Apart from other than means paddy, wheat, maize, gram and millets are being produced from Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, then the important cash crops, okay, that are grown in this basin, that is sugarcane and
Jute.
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 Okay, sugar cane and jute. And see children, please note it down. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam. Okay, silk is being produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam. Okay, so paddy is means main occupation of the people of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. It is agriculture. Okay, then paddy is the main crop. Since the cultivation of paddy it requires more water, it is being cultivated in places where the amount of rainfall it is high. Yes. Okay.
High.
Then other than they are also producing wheat, maize, sorghum, okay, sorghum and millets. Okay. Then the important cash crops, that is sugar cane and
Sugar cane and jute.
jute. Okay. Then silk. Okay, silk also is produced, okay, through the cultivation of silkworms. Okay, silkworms in parts of
Bihar
Bihar
and
and Assam. Okay, then yes, we have discussed about cash crops and also about plantations. So banana plantations. Okay, banana plantation, it is common here in some places. Okay, banana plantation also can be seen over here in this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So children, all these points we have discussed in our previous class. Is there any doubt regarding any of the points, children?
No, ma'am.
No,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay, see children, this is the climate. Okay, monsoon climate is experiencing. Okay, then summers are very hot and winters are cold. Okay, that
Cold.
is about the climate of this area. Okay, then the main occupation of the people it is? What is the main occupation?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Okay, agriculture is the main occupation of the people and many crops are being produced by the people. Okay, that is paddy, wheat, maize. Yes, then tell me.
Sugarcane.
Millet,
Sugar
sorghum.
cane,
Millet, sorghum.
millets,
Millet, maize,
grams,
gram,
okay, jute. Okay, all these
Sugar cane.
crops.
Sugarcane.
Yes. Okay, and
Silk
banana
is obtained
plantations.
from the
Banana plantations can be seen. Okay, then silk is produced through the
from the
cultivation of silkworms.
Silkworms.
Okay, so
in the
many
parts of
crops
Bihar and Assam.
yes, Bihar and Assam. Okay, so many crops are being produced from different areas. Okay, so children, shall we move to the next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So now we will discuss about the vegetation. Okay, about the tree. And also we will discuss about the wildlife. Okay, the animals. Okay, see children, the vegetation. And we have seen that, children, we have seen that a varied type of landforms that we can see over here in this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. That means we could see mountain areas, plains are there, okay, plains are there, deltas, okay, we can see deltas. Okay, so it is varied in its landforms, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the vegetation also, okay, the vegetation also different for different landforms. Okay, that means the plants and the trees that are different for different landforms of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay,
Basin.
children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us study about it. See children, the plain areas. Okay, the plain areas, we could see the tropical deciduous trees along with teak, sal, and people. Okay, plain areas, please note it down children. In the plain areas, we could see the tropical deciduous trees, okay, along with teak, sal, and people. Okay, thick bamboo groves are common. Bamboo groves. Okay, bamboos are common in the plain areas. Okay, see children, depending upon the type of landform, the vegetation is also different for different landforms in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, and in the plain areas, we can see the tropical deciduous trees. Okay, along with which all trees? Tell me, dear children.
Teak, sal, people with
Okay,
bamboo
teak,
groves.
sal, and people can be seen over there. Okay, and thick bamboo groves are common. Okay, thick bamboo groves also can be seen in which area? Plains.
Plains.
Plain areas. Okay, then when we come to the deltas, okay, mangrove forest can be seen. Okay, delta area is covered with mangrove forest. Okay, then in some parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh,
Coniferous forest.
yes, coniferous trees like
Pine,
deodar, and fir
Fir.
can be seen in these places as the climate is very cool. Okay, where see children, where we could see the coniferous trees? Mountain areas,
Mountain areas.
mountain areas. Okay, so the mountain areas, the deltas, the plains. Okay, different types of landforms can be seen in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, and the vegetation also different for different landforms.
Landform.
Okay, do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so means Ganga Brahmaputra basin has a diverse physical features. Okay, that means mountain areas, deltas. Okay, deltas, then plains. Okay, all these are the features of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, and the vegetation also different for different type of landforms. In the plain areas, we could see the tropical deciduous trees along with teak, sal, and people. Okay, and also thick bamboo groves can be seen in the plain areas. Okay, what about deltas?
Mangrove forest.
Yes,
Mangroves.
delta area, it is covered with mangrove forest. Okay, then when we comes to the parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim,
Uttarakhand,
Coniferous forest.
coniferous trees.
forest.
Okay,
Where-
coniferous trees
where
like
deodar
pine,
and
yes,
Pine.
deodar,
deodar
yes.
and fir.
Okay, fir. Okay, fir can be seen because the climate is cool and means so the means warm climate. Okay, so the vegetation also different for different types of landforms. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will discuss about the wildlife, the animals that are common in Ganga and Brahmaputra plains and also in deltas and all. Okay, children, many animals like monkeys, deer, elephants, okay, can be seen in the plain areas. Okay, in the plains we can see monkey, elephant, deer, okay, tiger. All these animals are
Rhinoceros.
common in the plain areas of Ganga. Okay,
Ma'am,
then
rhinoceros.
now one-horned rhinoceros.
Ma'am, they are about to extinct.
Oh yes. Okay, one-horned rhinoceros
They are
can
endangered
be
species.
seen in Brahmaputra plain. Okay.
Brahmaputra.
Yes. Okay, one-horned rhinoceros. Yeah, it is about to extinct. Okay, we could
Endangered
directly-
species.
Yeah.
Because their horn costs so much of money.
Okay, so many are trying to kill them, is it?
Yes, ma'am, and cut their
Horn.
horn
Yes.
and sell it
Yes.
in the market. They'll get really
Money.
high value for it.
Value, yes. Okay. Then Bengal tiger. What is special about Bengal tiger?
It is a tiger.
Ma'am, Jagan say it is a tiger.
Yeah, it is a type of tiger, but something is special about it. Can you tell me?
Special tiger.
Eh? He's a Bengali. We are discussing. We are discussing about the animals, okay, which are common in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, so many animals, monkey, deer, elephant, okay, and tiger, which are common in the Ganga, okay, Ganga plain, and one-horned rhinoceros, okay, can be seen. Then Bengal tiger, alligator, crocodiles, okay, alligator, crocodiles. All,
Katla, Rohu, Hisla.
then
Kalel.
yes, as this is means connected with the rivers, okay, and fresh lakes, okay, fishes, okay, variety of fishes. This is rohu, katla, and
Hilsa.
hilsa. Yes, nice.
In Malayalam, what do you say?
Katla, Rohu, only same thing.
Yeah. Okay. So many means variety of fishes. Okay. Also can be seen in these rivers. Okay. So which are the animals? Children, tell me about the wildlife.
Monkeys, deer,
Tiger.
Tiger, one-horned rhinoceros,
And one-horned
Bengal tiger,
Bengal tiger,
alligator,
alligator,
and fishes. Yeah, rohu.
rohu, katla, hilsa.
Okay. And you know, children, here the presence of one a dolphin. Okay.
Susu.
Zuzu. It's also known as blind dolphin. Okay. See, children, it